Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for a really quick Tuesday morning haul. I'm super excited because I haven't had a Tuesday morning haul in a while because you guys know I'm trying to use up my stash, but I happen to be in the neighborhood where the store is located and I swung by and surprisingly there wasn't too many things that I really needed. There was just a few that I definitely didn't want to walk out of there without them in my basket, and so let's go ahead and get started on what I got. So the first thing up is this Project Life by Becky Higgins. These are the envelopes. Now I remember when she announced that they were no longer carrying them because I guess there was a manufacturer issue, and I don't know if it's for all of, well, I think it's actually all of them, but I know she was saying that the 12 by 12 was really popular and to get them so that way, because once they were gone, they were gone. And so I don't know if they ever came back in the future, well, like now, because this was at least a year or two ago. And so as soon as I saw this, I did grab it specifically for that 12 by 12 size. I don't know if she still carries this with her albums now, which was the middle size one, but you do get all three of these envelopes, one of each. That product code was 2093434, originally $9.99, and I paid $5 for them. So great price. They only had the one and I just grabbed it. Okay. Next, I'm super excited about this one. In fact, I've already dug into this. This is by My Mind's Eye. They're called Glimmers Pastels. You get three of each color. There's a pink, an orange, a yellow, green, blue, and cream. And what is neat about these is they're not super glittery. It's a frosted look. So you can see how it's kind of frosted on the cardstock. Really, really pretty. I've already used the green for some grass in one of my layouts. So I was glad I picked up one of those. Oh, let me just show you the product code. That product code is 3114 for only $3.99, which is super cheap because they're originally $14.99. So I grabbed those. Next, I grabbed the Chamel flare badges. Now that product code is 2097172 for only $1.49. I've already taken it out of the package so that way you can see all of the flares because it was getting kind of covered up by the stickers. So there's that. Then next I grabbed these wood buttons. So that product code is 2097171 for $1.49. Also from Chamel, you get a total of 20 of them. So I grabbed those. And that's it for my Tuesday morning haul. Like I said, really, really quick. However, I did get something from Home Goods, and I know we all love to share whenever we get some type of organization or anything like that, or some ideas to organize. And I went to Home Goods and I saw these. They had them in ombre pink, ombre blue, like literally different shades of blue. And they're earth piece, like paper mix. I guess they're made out of kind of like some paper and resin. What else? I don't even know. Okay, it says it somewhere. But anyways, so you get 4 baskets, and the price is $7.99. And the reason why I like these, I couldn't decide. Like I was like, do I want the pink? Do I want the blues? This was the only one they had left, and the reason why I got these ones is because of the 2 clear baskets. Because I don't know if my room's always going to be aqua. You know, I love anything mint green aqua, so I grabbed this set, but I like them for the fact that sometimes I have 3 or 4 projects going, and then this way but I don't have enough little baskets, and these are only 4.5 inches long. And what I like to do, at least with my crepe paper, I have one that holds my bits and bobs, and then this would be the one that I would keep empty to work on a collection, or not a collection, a project. But if I'm working on several projects, I only have this one basket. And what I like to do is I like to keep all the ephemera, you know, if I had my flare badges, I could keep in there, stuff like that. Everything in loose right here, even twine or anything like that, in this little area contained, so that way I don't lose anything. And I really like that. Like I said, I use my crepe paper all the time, but I just needed more. So $7.99 to me was a great deal, and they're super cute and super small, so I like that. But yeah, definitely go check it out, because like I said, there's pink ombres and then there's a blue ombre, and I think it was a little bit darker than this. So it started with this color and then ended up a little bit darker for the last 2 on top. And that's it, guys. That is my little quick mini haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great night. Bye.